you are romantic, right? Da, I will be like this.
Am venit la clubul de testare a cafelei și plouă îngrozitor de tare, deci practic nu avem unde să mergem în altă parte de aici. După cum vedeți, mi-am luat bluza mea care am pătat în avion de cafea și a fost cea mai la îndemână, așa că m-am hotărât să o iau pe mine. Mergem să încercăm cafeaua. Aparent au o cafea care este digerată de maimuțe, cred, și apoi o folosesc pe post de cafea. Nu știu ce gust o să aibă, sunt chiar curioasă. Yes, of course. So this is how they are welcoming the guests.
Strong.
Let me try. You have to be stronger than this. Welcome, welcome!
Okay. Perfect.
Driverul nostru a făcut niște glume foarte tari. Și că noi turiștii când venim aici, pentru țânțari suntem sângele cu gust de strawberries. Ne spune povestea.
And we also have like a chocolate coffee. Yeah, we mix coffee powder and white chocolate and dark chocolate.
White chocolate and dark chocolate.
Yeah.
This is the white or dark one?
This is dark one.
The dark one. And the white one, how you are making it?
We use like a young cacao, but if you know for the normal chocolate, we use the dark one, the big one.
The dark one. Aha. So from the same one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, we call luwak.
Luwak.
Yeah.
So these luwak animals are eating the coffee beans,
This side.
digesting them, and then poo poo, and then from poo poo we're gonna eat good we're gonna drink good coffee.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, for you not very hot.
Coffee machine.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. This is the food from the animal luwak, and this is we dry at the sun until 5 days.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry.
5 days drying, really nice. It looks,
sorry.
it's a really nice poo.
Yes, sorry, miss. Okay. This is food from the animal luwak.
Okay.
Then we dry until 5 days.
And after you are removing the...
Yeah. Then after we dry, yeah, we wash and become like this.
So
And then the real
it's dried, washed, and then
And after we wash, yeah, we fill or we remove the shell like this. Open. Yeah, we open. Yeah.
What?
so it's got a shell. Okay.
Yeah.
So you open with your hands
So
all
that
of them?
one-
Yes.
Oh
we
no,
use like,
it takes so much time.
yeah, we use
For
like
the processing.
one by hand. Yeah. And we cut like this.
Yeah.
And for
you
this
can-
we, yeah, we wash. Yeah, we use hot water as well. And become brown color like this.
And becomes brown color.
Yeah, become brown color like this.
And after that you're using straight away for the coffee, or you have to do another?
And after we wash, yeah, we use like we need like a roasting first.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, roasting
Yeah.
process.
And then we are roasting them.
Yeah, roasting for the with everything is still manual.
with the wood. The wood cooking.
Oh, that's nice.
And for roasting process,
Now they look like a real coffee bean.
Oh, you
Oh,
can
nice.
country also. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And how much do you leave the difference to roast? How much it takes to roast?
45 minutes.
45 minutes.
45 minutes. And you have to do like this non-stop?
Yeah. Otherwise, very late, black, and then not.
It's not tasty after that, yeah.
45 minutes to stay there.
45 minutes.
You watch a movie on your phone.
Until
No, and you do like this.
aroma comes out and coffee bean roasting properly.
What's your name?
Tata.
Tata.
Yes.
Tata, nice to meet you, Elena.
Elena.
Pleasure, a pleasure to meet you.
Yeah, and after we roast,
I'm not gonna show this video to my Tata because Tata is in Romanian, my dad, so he will think.
This is already a little bit soft.
for coffee bean after roasting. Yes, sorry. And you can smell it. This is for after roasting. Sorry.
Oh my god! It's real.
And we like to smell, sir. This is for coffee bean after roasting.
Wow.
Sorry, sorry.
You did.
Fine powder. Yeah, we put it here and we blend it.
Chocolate, yeah? That's when you're making chocolate?
Oh, no, for the grinding coffee.
Okay.
Yeah,
Grinding coffee.
we put milk.
Manually.
And then the lady, when doing this, will singing. Will singing until finishes dancing. And then
Can I do this?
Yeah.
Okay. Yummy, 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 yummy. Can I have Justin Bieber just a bit?
Oh yeah, Justin Bieber.
Yum, 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 yum.
Do you need do you hire staff? Do you need staff here?
You want to work here?
Yeah, I would like to work here, please.
Yeah, for grinding process, we take 30 minutes until 1
30 minutes. Okay, thank you, boss.
No, you don't need to go
30
into the
minutes.
gym. You
I
don't
am
need to
part
go.
of the team now.
Okay, so you take it here.
fine
So
powder.
this is the coffee.
Yeah,
This is a coffee.
yes, the fine powder luwak coffee.
Cinnamon. Yeah.
And you can smell.
Thank you, Tata.
Real cinnamon?
Yes.
We have cinnamon. We have all
So it's
this.
not the powder that
So we have avem turmeric, saffron, saffron, ginger,
We also have like
scorțișoară, and this one,
rosella flower.
rosella, hibiscus.
And this is for chocolate bean.
Oh, this is the chocolate. Oh, I love chocolate.
And this is we process, but for the chocolate, yeah, we need to coffee.
Okay,
real.
really nice. This is lemongrass, and that's the last one.
Let's film this. Very nice, very romantic.
N-am văzut așa ploaie în viața mea. Uitați-vă la mine cum arăt. Foarte drăguță.
15 days now.
How much is a bag of luwak coffee?
For luwak coffee, we have like a bean and powder. Yeah, we have three size, 60 grams, 100 gram, and 200 gram.
Okay.
And for 60 gram, for the powder, 280,000 rupiah.
Okay. So,
And 280, yeah, I think less than 20 pounds a week.
okay.
Yeah. So less than 20
For
pounds.
the 100 gram is the 440,000 rupiah.
Oh, no problem.
Big for you.
No problem. Before I drink now. But I'm stop.
Oh my god, I am in love! I want to open a restaurant with chocolate coffee. This is really nice. Amazing. Good. First one? What's the first one? No, this one. Lemongrass. Really nice. Come here. Let me just. Hi. Come next.
Give this one a bit.
Try this chocolate coffee. Really nice.
Yeah. Also the weather, very nice.
Oh, you like this water?
The lemongrass. Saffron.
Saffron.
Our coffee is coming.
Okay,
Yeah,
for the
okay,
taste.
thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Tata, what I want to ask is, for example, vanilla coffee. What are you adding for that vanilla taste? Are you adding vanilla powder, vanilla syrup, vanilla stick?
Yeah, for the coffee, vanilla coffee, yeah, we have like an instant powder. And for the powder, already have like a vanilla powder.
So it's vanilla powder. And then this is natural, ginseng natural, cinnamon, saffron, gin, lemon. And also for this one, ginseng, coconut, also you are adding one powder, right?
Like an instant powder.
Like an instant powder.
How strong it is?
Oh, I like all of it.
Really nice, the chocolate powder.
We also have like a new product here. Yeah, we call pandanus tea.
Oh, yeah.
Pandanus tea.
Yeah, we from the pandan leaf.
Pandan leaf, yeah?
You have ginger, yellow ginger and the red ginger. The red ginger is more hot.
Yeah.
The red ginger is not
The turmeric, no?
Yeah, no, same
Yeah?
ginger, but you have color different.
Okay.
Like a chili, when
Pandan tea.
green, not really hot. When
Okay,
red,
it's rather,
yeah,
okay.
very hot.
Oh, this is
It's like a milkshake.
Milkshake.
And this is the color from
The natural color because the pandan leaf have like a green color.
this is like a fruit.
It's a leaf.
A leaf.
Yeah, in Bali, we use the pandan leaf. Yeah, we cut rice and we put some pandan leaf in the up to rice to get the nice aroma.
No, this is not the coconut, this is the white chocolate coffee.
White chocolate.
But wait, you don't have it here, no? I mean, this is such a big one.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Yes.
Cheers.
Woo.
Hello.